For our last section, we have to analyze a graph on multiple levels in order to answer various questions. So the first thing to recognize is that this is going to be the graph of f. So I've got my x and my y value here. All right. We're going to be talking specifically when x is -3. So we are right here. Okay. And some of the things we know are that m is negative here, etc. Okay. So first of all, they want to know what is f of -3. So this is the f graph, so my output is simply 0. All right. What is the slope at -3? In this case, it's going to be negative. We don't know exactly what it is. Right? We know that it is on a decreasing part of the graph. And we also know that it is a non-horizontal tangent line. Obviously, it goes downhill. Okay? What is the sign change? Well, on the graph of f, so I'm going to draw a line between this, the sign change goes from y positive to y negative. So it's positive to negative. But slope negative, there's no change to the slope on either side of 3, -3. Therefore, it's no change. Now, let's take a look at how we have to analyze this differently given f prime of x. This is x, this is slope already. All right? We're talking about when x equals -8, which is right here. Okay? In this case, m is equal to 0, because notice this is the graph of f prime. So this is m positive, this is m negative. I'm dealing with f prime now. Do we know on the original f function? We don't know what the output is. We can't get that from the graph of f prime. What is the value of f prime? It's 0. What is the feature? Well, if we look, I went from m equals 0, which is here. To the left, I have m positive. To the right, I have m negative. Therefore, this is going to be a relative max. Right? Well, what's going on with f prime? Well, on f prime, this is decreasing. We don't have a sign change, but notice how we went from m positive to m negative. All right, so sign change has to do with what's happening with y.